I am a natural health science practitioner as well as a health coach. And as Rachna ji mentioned, that she was raised medicine free. For me, I have been raised in a family where medicines were a way of life. I can say that I have been born and brought up on medicines. Why? Because everyone in my family are medical doctors.
Wow.
Medicines were very freely available. Even today, back at my parents' house, every drawer you open will have a strip of medicines.
Wow.
I had these names of medicines by heart. If you have stomach ache, you have to have this. If you have cough, you name a disease, and I would tell you the name of the medicine because I was raised in a family of medical doctors.
Right.
So you name a disease, and I had it from childhood. I had asthma, and I couldn't walk for a few minutes, let alone run. Because
Wow.
I was brought up in Mumbai, I had to travel by local trains. And to travel by Mumbai locals, when the train comes on the platform, you definitely have to run to catch it if you are somewhere
Mm.
not close to the compartment. And that would make me breathless. Although I would board a train, I would just sit down wherever I boarded because I couldn't breathe. I had an inhaler in my handbag all the time, and I had to take out my inhaler and start gasping for breath. That was my condition. Other than asthma, I was put on high BP medication, which lasted for 10 years before I started practicing natural health science. The medicines would keep on increasing, the dosage would never come down. And I was always told that, like we eat food to sustain, we need to have medicines till the end of our lives.
Wow.
And then, because diabetes runs in my family, I also had borderline sugar levels, and I was just about to be put on diabetes medication as well. And then in the year 2015, thanks to the beautiful IT lifestyle, the sedentary lifestyle that we follow,
Right.
I was diagnosed with fatty liver, which is a
Oh,
pure lifestyle disorder.
it is.
And then when I went back home, जैसे दहेज में गिफ्ट मिलता है, I was gifted medicines for 2 months, three
Oh
times a
God.
day, after every meal. And I came back with that pack of medicines back to my house. Fortunately, thanks to my partner, Sandeep, who has been raised without medicines at his home.
Wow.
And in my house, after marriage, there were no medicines. And I would get furious. Whenever I had fever, there was not a single medicine, not even a paracetamol. And I would scream and yell, "How come there is no paracetamol in this house?" Coming from a background of medicines into a family that did not have any medicines, that was a culture shock for me. And thanks to him, that I could actually understand the laws of nature. So it was in the year 2020 when COVID struck. And it was COVID actually that helped us understand the facts of life, the truth. While everybody was fearful and were wearing masks, we were very fortunate to get in touch with like minded groups where we understood that COVID is not really a disease, but it was just a fear mongering. So many people around us went to hospitals and died. As
Mm.
Venuji and Suchitra ji mentioned, anybody would go to ICU and never come back home. That was the situation everywhere. In my own society, where there are 400 plus flats, My best friend's family, everyone was diagnosed as COVID positive,
Mm.
and they were so fearful. They wouldn't come out of their house. Nobody would go to their house, not even their own sisters and brothers. That
Yeah.
was the time when I went to their house with coconut water, with tender coconuts and lots of fruits and raw vegetables, and I would make soups for them and serve them. And within 5 to 7 days, the entire family was all right,
Mm.
and they were so thankful. Nobody would have treated them this way. I just told them they had a huge list of medicines from the doctor,
Mm.
but they did not take any, thanks to their faith in the natural laws.